Now I can start with my presentation. That is a new opportunities in the food processing as a startup. Most of the I think the for the today's program, the most of the students are there. So for the students, it is very necessary that nowadays the lot of students are going for their own startup. How many in the student want to do their own business? Uh, can raise their hand or the something like that. Okay, okay, I think it is a uh, so
Students
whenever
will
yeah,
students will put their thoughts in the chat box.
chat
It
box
will,
or anything, yeah, yeah, okay,
yeah.
okay. We should do the interactive session because just I start with the what is a startup. Whenever where if you heard the word last 5 to 6 years as a startup, but in the food, if you'll see the lot of new startups are coming, specifically in a different areas. So that we see, but the basic compound, so what are the component is required to do the businesses, we will see that angle. Then in the next couple of slides we will see the what are the potential areas of the food processing where the new student can go and start their businesses in a small and make it big. So first we start with the component of the component is a majorly first component is the idea. Anything which grow big is the idea. The second, if the idea if your idea is very fantastic and very unique ideas, then second component is required is the finding finding the market or the need of that ideas. If 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 the both the things are matches, the ideas and the need of that market, then and then only you need a finance for that. And after the getting the finance, you can make a project report and start your project and producing or the delivering the services whatever you want to do. And for that you need a product or the services. And major part of the fourth part of is finding the supply chain or the reaching to the consumer or the reaching to the customer is a very important component of the any startup. And whenever you are doing such all activity, you should follow the regulatory compliances, whatever the compliances of that respective country. If you want to do the business in the domestic, or if you don't want to do the business in the export, as per the country, the regulatory compliance you need to follow. These are the five component is needed. Next slide, please. Next slide. Hello. And whenever you are entering into the any ideas or the any sector, that sector specific knowledge is very important. And with that knowledge, the all the infrastructure is very important. And the another factor is the location. Whenever you are doing the any product or services, you should see that product or services should be the suited to the that location, or the market should be suited to the that location. Because every place or the every location having the different market segment, high market segment, low market segment. And of that location and the segment, you need to identify the know the customer need also. Customer need is a very important thing, because lot of thing your product may be the very good, but the sometimes the customer need more or the less of your product. So that need is very important. Next slide, please. Next. After the identifying the component customers, there is a startup cycle is there. In that cycle, what happened, there is a three types of mode. Is one is tendering, startup mode, and the growth mode. Strengthening mode, basically the idea initiation of idea or the creation of the uh, initial idea and creating the value of them first, and the second, after that creating value, conceptualization of that ideas, and making the your vision, mission, and your 5 years milestone is very very important. Because what happened that whenever we are uh, creating any ideas, we need to see the potential of that ideas to the next 5 years. Because what happened that the if we see the day by day, the technology or the eating habits or the all are changing day by day. If we see the market scenario due to the COVID, the all the e-commerce or the online businesses are moving faster than the traditional businesses. Because that is the time, due to the that time situation, the all businesses need to go to the online. So we should have the that vision ki we should change our vision or the milestone year by year. That mode. Second mode is the startup mode. Startup mode, the whatever the ideas or the this, we need to do the testing and the validation of that ideas with the market survey, market research, and the trends. Because if we generally we see the whatever the trend is happening in the US or the Europe, 2 or 3 years later it will become to the Indian markets. Previously it will take 10 years, but due to the technology and the traveling to the people globally, it will be maximum 1 or 2 years. So we need to see the in the western world what are the ideas and what are the things are coming. Simply example, Uber, Ola, even the Swiggy, Zomato, the firstly started in the US and then they come to the Indian market. In the startup mode, the fourth important point is the measurable growth and your customer revenue. Sometime it will be, sometime lot of startup will see that your growth should be the measurable, and your customer base should be increased. Because whenever you are entering into the any product or services, until and unless your customer base is not increasing or the not repeating, your business of the food is not sustained. It is not a one time buying. Actually the food product is having the multiple buying, like generally we buy the product weekly or maximum monthly. So in that monthly buying or the weekly buying trend, your product should be incorporated into the consumer basket. Otherwise it will be very difficult you to sustain. Because repeat buying is very very important. Sometime it will be happen whenever you launch any product, the people will try for the one time, but if the same customer is not consuming your product same time, you you, you should go in the detailed research what is happen, what is extra test wise or the quality wise he needed. You need to understand. Otherwise most of the business I see, they will try to find out the new customer, and end of the day they will vanish. Because the customer base is increased but the reputation of the consumer is not done. So due to that one, lot of businesses are closed in a 1 or 2 years. So in the startup mode, we need to see that part. Otherwise the business cannot enter into the growth mode. Growth mode means the people are you will get very good growth, and the whatever the challenges in the growth mode like finances, other challenges with the customer data and the volume, you will get easily the finance from the private equities or the other finances if your base is very very strong. Next slide please. This is about the star. Next slide. Lokonde sir, slide, can you change the slide? Yeah. If you see the Indian scenario, near about 36,000 startup are registered. But if you see the most of the startup in IT or other area. In the food and agriculture space, only the 8% startup is register, because of the lot of startups are the technology based. But nowadays technology and our product and services, these are the mix match is happening, and due to that one, that will be increases. And in the COVID situation, a lot of health startups are coming to as a immunobuster product or the health product. So it is a very very, because if you see the economical growth also, the if in only the food and agriculture sector is growing in a very very positive way. Next slide please. Why the food sector is growing? If we see the, we have the near about 20 climatic condition, 52 percent cultivated area, 46 type of the soils we have, near about second largest food producer we have. We are, and the seventh largest coastal area for the uh, fish and fish product. And if we see the consumption spending power, 35 31%. And we are growing the agriculture product 7.68 of the global output. And we are serving near about 62% to the Indian retail sector. And 9 million uh, 9 million employment will be generated by the uh, 2024. So it is very much growing in terms of, if you are looking for the jobs, or if you are looking for the doing your own business, the sector is growing very very fast. Next slide please. Yeah, majorly the, if we see the government is also boosting the sector, giving the 1 lakh crore benefits in the Atmanirbhar, and out of that, the they are specifically giving to the agri processing like fruits, vegetables, infrastructure, warehousing, and the logistic businesses only, where the our maximum losses are there. The government want to save the losses and increase the export, and utilize our uh, uh, waste capacity into the piece to increase the growth. Next slide, please. Uh, if we see the domains in the food processing, basically a lot of people are coming with food products like it may be QSR, or it may be the uh, B2C product detail, we will say. In the packaging sector also, a lot of startups are coming in the food packaging, because nowadays the EPR policy, or the packaging, plastic packaging, there are a lot of challenges. So biodegradable packaging or the sustainable packaging, a lot of startup are working. Food processing technology, supply chain solution is a major keyword, because here we have the 30% losses in agriculture produce, and only the supply chain solution we can save the losses. Food processing equipment, like if you see the lot of automation is happening in a small way. Just I in the COVID period, I will discussing with my old friends in the USA or the other part. The Whirlpool company, Whirlpool might be everybody heard the name of the Whirlpool. It is in the appliances, but now basically the consumable appliances. But they are coming into the next the food processing equipment, where the lot of work of the sensor base, or the uh, uh, artificial intelligence based food processing equipment they are making for the QSR or the individually people. So the food processing equipment sector is growing very fast. Storage and logistic and food safety part is growing, as the FSSI is day by day getting stronger, and they have started their initiative Food Safety Mitra. I think one program we are taken before COVID. I think into the Kolhapur, and a lot of Food Safety Mitra final year student are taken the advantages, and there they can do their own consultancy in the food safety area, and the food distribution like Food Pandas, Swiggy, small in the areas, the delivery model, uh, uh, kitchens and the delivering model apps are coming, because nowadays due to the COVID situation people are not traveling out, and the people try to eat in at home. So that distribution model is very growing, and just last week I discussing with the Ahar Association. Their major sales is near about 70% sales. 70 to 80% sale is happening nowadays through the different apps and different food distribution channels. Next, please. Yeah. Second, if you see the ecosystems of the food, in the ecosystem, basically the crop production, feed production, primary processing, food manufacturing, secondary food manufacturing, wholesale, and the retail. These are the major food ecosystem where you can do the businesses. And if we see the lot of people, what a lot of startup are doing the mistakes, what instead of choosing one of the ecosystem, they want to do the whole ecosystem, and they will fail, because to maintain the whole food system ecosystem, the small startup is very difficult. Why I'm saying difficult? Because it will need huge investment, and secondary thing, huge team. Otherwise, if we hire the work, if we take the one portion also, it will give you the handsome margin. If we see the just I will give you the example. If we do the any if we purchase any product of the 10 rupees, if we see the production cost of that product is near about 40 or 35 paisa. uh, so near about 60% is the margin which will goes to the different sector like storage, distribution, and other sector. So instead of small startup doing into the doing all these things, they can choose any one sector, and they can earn near about 10 to 15% margin, and they can they can concentrate on the one aspects, and grow the business very minimal amount, and grow in a big way. Next, if we see the major trends in the startup is the firstly the way, whenever if you are doing the your own setup, that is offering the, you can go for the private label, because lot of brands nowadays the startup is opening their own manufacturing unit, but they will not do their own production. They, because like a big companies want to do the third party production, so they can go for the private labeling. Then survey sustainable package, sustainable product, they can go in the consumption model. uh, Trends, basically just I discuss health conscious, a lot of health conscious product are coming, low sugar product are coming, natural organic products are coming. In the beverages, new trend are come, that is cold press, or the low sugar, or the no added sugar beverages, yeah, ready to eat. And even even whenever if we see the lot of ordering apps are comes, but we will order the food as per the saving the review. So that review content writing is one of the business where the lot of food technologists, or the lot of nutritionists, or the lot of food blogger are going, and they are creating the review for the different apps, and they are pulling the crowd. So that is one of the business model. Then the regional taste is very important. If you see the product like pickle or the snacks, where the regional taste is very important. So and the market is very big. If you see the if we eat the pickle, sorry, in the or masales, every different Kolhapur region is a different. Even Bombay, you will find the different taste. And the third model is the delivery model, where the e-commerce delivery model, food kits and the semi-prepared food are delivered. So these are the three areas where the and for these three areas, basically the technology driven businesses is happen. uh, Now I go the sector wise trend. What is the trend sector wise? That livestock, marine, poultry, then health, pharma, then food grain, fruit and vegetable, dairy, and the FMCG. These are the key points where the our we are the second largest in the fruit, vegetable, fish. Also, we are second in the milk. Milk also we are second. So these are the major trends. If we see the challenges in the this sector, because as a startup, always you need to see the challenge and the find the solution, then and then only you will be get success in a very very rightly or the and very low time. So basically if we see the livestock product, the major challenges is the higher perishability, regional sentiment. These are the challenges. But if you see the a lot of startup are coming where the fish and the chicken hygienically pack and they will deliver to the home delivery model. That trend is very much growing in two tier and three tier city. One of the Bangalore brand is Lucullus is very much grown in this COVID situation. The same in the marine and the poultry sector, majorly in the health health and pharma sector. High time consumption is increasing because of the present situation. Nowadays people are eating more healthy and health supplement food, where the basically major trend in the turmeric uh, turmeric is sales are very grown. Like turmeric different product, if we see in the market like turmeric ice cream, turmeric juice, or curcumin tablets also very much growing. Because if we in the COVID situation, only the our herbs and spices are only the that product that shows grow our Indian immune system. And if we see uh, the death ratio in the COVID is very less. So in the foreign market, the curcumin market is very much grown. So anyone want to do the go to the turmeric business, it is the right time now to go into that. Next slide, please. Next slide. Lokanda sir. Next slide. Yeah. Some of the areas of the innovation nowadays in our time, the people are only go in the production, quality, sales, like that. But nowadays for the in the startup, you can go into the uh, digital content also as a for as a food technologist, or the making the books, or even I found the some of the people are join the Google require the lot of food technologies to develop the content for their lot of food startups are coming. So that is one of the area. The no one is thought ki we like writing the content is also the people will hire the food technologists. Even the even uh, even developing the app or developing the new things, so understanding the process. Your artificial intelligence in the food processing, the way, where the lot of food technologists are working to develop the robotic and the artificial intelligent product in the food processing. Next, these are the sectors like delivery sector, agro sector, food science sector, food service sector. These are the new sectors. Some of the brands I share. Next, lot of people see the opportunities and lot of people see the challenges. But my dear friends, it's always the opportunity comes whenever there is a challenges. Other without challenge, the opportunity will not come. So so generally focus, face the challenges. You will get very good opportunity. Next slide, please. Next, these are not important. Yeah, yeah. These are the nowadays a lot of QSR is coming. One of the QSR we are developing is the charcoal. It they have the pan India presence now. Uh, they are delivering the vegan product or the Indian traditional product in a QSR format. So nowadays, if you see the 10 days before the burger, pizza, these trends are come. But nowadays, the Indian cuisine is nowadays going to the in a QSR format. So it is a very big challenge for the food technologists to our traditional recipes recipe converted into the QSR format, where the very less treatment and less time you can deliver that product to the our right consumer. And the day by day the Indian cuisine is very much growing in a QSR sector, and people are investing into the into that, not only in India but also in UK. They are started in the UK also. So Indian cuisine, Indian traditional food into the easy format. Student a lot of startup having the opportunity in that area. Just I take, share the some of the challenges is the developmental product developmental into the traditional food to the QSR format. There are lack of infrastructure, but the government is uh, giving the near about spending the 1 lakh crore into the developing the infrastructure. The some of the uh, startup is not getting the proper fund or the under fund, just because of they do not represent their self, or the they 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 do not represent properly. Otherwise fund is not problem into the Indian condition. Next slide. Next slide, please. Yeah, you are you next slide. And the technology, we have very good technology to little bit the our food startup. Next slide. Huh. These are the some of the government initiatives I am sharing. After the challenges to the government are supporting into the raw material assistance. If you want to do any big project, our raw material sourcing assistance is provided. Even Ministry of Food Processing are providing the lot of scheme for the SMEs. Next slide. Some of the other government initiative like infrastructure development, Atal Incubation Center is there. I think I think Shivaji University can take one of the food technology incubation center, because the nowadays Atal Incubation Center is giving the incubation center to the near about each institute. And due to that incubation center you will get uh, fund through the lot of government, these are the assistance from the various government, and student can get near about 30 lakhs 40 lakhs rupees without any interest. After starting their business, the interest will be the started, and they are giving the grant near about 20 30 lakhs for the developmental or the other idea generation. So these are the some of the assistance uh, institutes for the specifically for the startup in a incubation area. Next slide, please. Your NABARD and the NABARD is also doing that in a very big way in agriculture sector. Uh, Next, beyond under the digital India, FSSI is also supporting some of the startups, and the EFST and the EFST also supported near about 250 startups in a food area. So anybody need any help into the startup space, EFST also always helpful. I think the Dr. AK Sidhu is the president in Kolhapur. You can contact him, and we will definitely support through the EFST also to get the government fund or the get the government support for the startups. Next, if you see the 3 lakh crore rupees are giving to the small businesses without, it is a collateral free, without invest, without investing any collateral. And for that scheme, I think 31st October is a last date, but I think this date will be this date will be increasing. I think next 2 months also. Next, next slide. Next slide. Yeah. Here is our how the farm to fork is helping to the startups in the food startup, because we are also supporting near about 30 40 startups in terms of startup startup funding, business idea generation, feasibility study, market research, project management, new product development, legal compliances, and the digital marketing. These are the area we help the startup here about initial 3 months to for their support, and after the 3 months, they if they want to go in a big way, we we help them with the funding also. These are the all about the startup. Anybody having any questions, we can take the questions. Next slide. Here the my detail. You can email us or the phone also. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Next slide, please. Where the so any question or the any doubt anybody having, so we can take one to one question, or otherwise you can email us anytime. We will answer your queries. Yes, over to